Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept confined to sci-fi movies. It's actively transforming industries worldwide. From automating tasks to enhancing decision-making processes, AI is reshaping the way we work. However, this transformation brings both opportunities and challenges, especially in the job market. Is AI eliminating jobs or creating new ones? Let's explore its impact with real data and insights. AI's growing role in the workplace. AI has infiltrated almost every industry: manufacturing, healthcare, finance, retail, and even creative sectors like media. According to a report by McKinsey & Company, AI could replace about 400 million jobs globally by 2030. That figure sounds alarming, particularly for those in jobs with high automation potential. However, the World Economic Forum offers a more nuanced view, predicting that while AI could displace 85 million jobs by 2025, it will create 97 million new ones. This suggests that AI is not just a job killer, it's also a job creator. In healthcare, for example, AI systems assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and interpreting medical images, augmenting their capabilities rather than replacing them. AI-driven advancements in healthcare could create around 2.4 million new jobs by 2030, according to Accenture. Similarly, in financial services, AI tools like robo-advisors help clients with investments, while chatbots manage customer inquiries, reducing some entry-level roles, but creating high-demand jobs in data science and cybersecurity. Automation versus innovation. Which jobs are most affected? It's true that AI is eliminating some jobs, particularly those involving repetitive tasks. In industries like manufacturing and logistics, robots and AI systems are replacing human workers. Amazon, for instance, employs over 200,000 robots in its warehouses. While these machines improve efficiency, they also reduce the need for human labor in certain roles. However, AI's impact isn't just about automation. It's also about innovation. New industries and roles are emerging. Jobs like AI trainers, machine learning specialists, and data scientists are growing at an unprecedented rate. In fact, a Glassdoor report found that AI and machine learning specialists earn an average of $125,000 per year. AI is not eliminating the need for human workers, but rather shifting demand to new, tech-heavy fields. Changing skill sets, adapt or fall behind. AI's impact goes beyond job displacement. It's also changing the skill sets required to stay competitive in the workforce. According to a LinkedIn Workplace Learning report in 2023, demand for AI-related skills has surged by 58%. As automation takes over routine tasks, workers need to reskill or upskill to stay relevant. Technical skills like programming, data analysis, and machine learning are in high demand. But it's not just about technical know-how. Jobs requiring human-centered skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving are also on the rise. AI can't replicate these qualities, making them increasingly valuable in the modern workplace. For instance, roles blending technical expertise with creativity, like AI content creators or digital strategists, are thriving. AI and the gig economy, a double-edged sword. AI is also reshaping the gig economy. Platforms like Uber and TaskRabbit rely on AI algorithms to match workers with jobs, optimize pricing, and predict demand. However, the rise of autonomous vehicles threatens to disrupt jobs like rideshare driving in the coming years. Yet, AI is also enabling new types of gig work, particularly in the remote and freelance sectors. Freelancers specializing in digital marketing, AI-powered customer support, and online content creation are finding more opportunities. According to Statista, the global gig economy is expected to grow 17% annually, reaching $455 billion by 2024, fueled in part by AI-powered platforms. While AI is eliminating some types of gig work, it's also creating new freelance opportunities. Job market inequality. Widening the gap? One of the major concerns surrounding AI is its potential to widen job market inequality. Workers in low-skill, low-wage roles, like cashiers, data entry clerks, and telemarketers, are at the highest risk of being displaced by automation. The Brookings Institution estimates that 25% of American jobs, around 36 million, are at high risk of being automated in the coming decades. This shift could disproportionately affect workers without higher education or technical skills. On the other hand, those with expertise in AI, machine learning, and data science are likely to benefit from increased job security and higher earnings. The growing demand for specialized skills is creating a gap between those who can adapt and those who may struggle in the new economy. Preparing for an AI-driven future, governments and businesses step in. Governments and businesses are beginning to recognize the need to prepare for AI's impact on the job market. In Europe, the Digital Europe program is investing 7.5 billion euros to promote digital skills training and AI research. Countries like Singapore, China, and the U.S. are also investing heavily in AI education to ensure their workforces can thrive in a rapidly evolving market. On the corporate side, companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are launching large-scale reskilling programs. A Deloitte survey revealed that 58% of executives are prioritizing employee retraining to stay competitive in an AI-augmented world. By focusing on upskilling and reskilling, businesses can help their employees adapt to the changes AI brings. In summary, AI is not just reshaping industries. It's transforming the skills, roles, and opportunities available in the job market. As with any technological revolution, those who can adapt will thrive, while those who resist change may be left behind. The challenge for workers and businesses alike is to navigate this transition wisely, adapting to it, because like it or not, the future of work is already here. Please leave your thoughts in the comments section and like and subscribe to not miss future videos.